So here we're going to see a demo of just how well the TI OMAP chip transmits wireless display. You can see here that we have someone playing an Android game on the tablet, and wirelessly that's being transmitted over to the big screen via wireless display protocol. And what that does is it allows him to actually use the device as a controller while you're getting a much bigger screen. And you'll notice that because this is a game, latency is really, really important. You don't want to have lag where you move and then you see it move a second later, or you'll die in a game. And you can see here that he's able to play the game because there's very low latency on this wireless display connection, which is so important. I get the just. Oh. What do they do?
Yeah, this technology is made possible by a company called Screenovate, who puts their special software on top of the Wi-Fi peer-to-peer connection. That's why you can have such a low latency.
So is this not
cooperation with those guys?
So it's
okay. We have the standard Wi-Fi display, which basically says that okay, you got to basically stream some content from this to this, right?
Right.
It does not say anything specifically about what use case you could do.
Right.
So, for example, if you want to have dual screen experience where something is here and the content is here, control is here. Right now it's an exact mirroring, but they have another application where
they could have extending.
Extend exactly for that.
Oh, I like to see that.
Yeah, that's the because that is not by default supported by Android.
Yeah,
and that's the secrets of those guys added to make it better.
For example, if you look at this replica island, right? So
yeah.
now, this particular game.
This is just a showcase. I mean,
just
it's not
showcase.
Yeah.
Right game.
Game. We can see that now the game surfaces have been split into two. So one surface is going to the bigger screen, which is beaming through Wi-Fi display, and the other one is used for the control on the local LCD. So just like a controller.
Button there and you have haptic on the button.
So this is just an illustration of this thing because they are not a game developer, but they have this APIs to make that happen.
Wow. So would a game developer be the one who had to implement the Screenovate technology?
Well, they have this SDK or APIs which will be used by a game developer or whoever wants to make use of this dual display thing or APIs, which is not by default supported by the Android.
Wow, fantastic.